Hi friends, welcome to Dinner World. Today I'm gonna show how to make a very trending dream cake. First, I take 2 tablespoons of corn flour in water. Then I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of milk maid. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix very well. Heat up to this consistency. Next, I am taking dark chocolate and normal chocolate. Next, I am going to add 1 cup of fresh cream. Melt the chocolate up to this level. For easy way, I melt the chocolate by oven. For the next layer, I have took 2 cups of whipping cream. And let's whip it. I'm adding in between some melted chocolate. Here I took this dream cake pan. For the first layer, I have only made chocolate sponge. To soften the sponge, add some sugar syrup. Next layer, add some whipped cream. Next, I am adding some powdered nuts. Next layer, I am adding melted chocolate. Keep the pan in refrigerator for 5 minutes. After taking the pan, add some cocoa powder. you want, you can add some designs. Now our dream cake is ready. See you for the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.